Hello everyone, welcome to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. So we recently learned that I need to move apartments in New York City in the middle of a pandemic. Could it be a better time? So the search is on, and as you may or may not know, searching for apartments in New York City is quite interesting. You run into a lot of interesting combinations and small teeny apartments, lots of walk-ups. So, here we go. Move day. So I have moved out of an apartment that I lived in for 3 years, and I wanted to show you and walk you through this old apartment, and then you'll get to see the new one. So this is the front door. We immediately fell in love with the updated appliances. So here we have the tiles that I love and the stainless steel appliances. So this was my little kitchen, which is so cute. And then I loved this light bulb. And then, so this was a little bar where I could sit and eat with these bar stools. And then lots of great storage space, which is super important. And then now this is the closet, which for a fashionista, I definitely need more space. But for example, these shelves were great. And then also in this apartment, there are these drawers down here with storage boxes that we were taking the TV off the wall. This is a Murphy bed. That was so important and fabulous for a studio apartment. So basically, each day, in order to transform, I would just pull up the Murphy bed, and then you have a whole room, which was really nice. I mean, look how adorable. This was truly the most perfect apartment. And then these beautiful beams. And then now we can go to see in the bathroom. So this great mirrored cabinet, and then the sink with the we put towels under there. And then there's more shelves and storage back here, which is fab. And then a nice shower with this rain head. And then also this little thing where I put shaving supplies. So this was a perfect apartment for these past 3 years living in the West Village. And now it is time for me to have a fresh start and move to a new apartment. Bye, apartment. Welcome to my new apartment. Come on in. I have just moved during a pandemic. We will put a link in the description below to a video about tips and recapping what in the world that was like. So I wanted to show you the new space. We have worked very hard, and I hope that you can see that. We created a gallery wall. You would not believe what all goes into making sure that this is perfect. I'm very happy to have this hallway because it makes the space even bigger and it separates the apartment. I have a coat closet, which is so great, and also a coat rack. Remember, we work in fashion, so somehow we have a lot of clothes. So this is coats, blazers, more like jackets, leather jackets. We put our candles here, and unbeknownst to us, it had this great effect that when you open the door, it smells like fresh flowers. I have gotten a grocery cart so that I can go to Trader Joe's. So you're gonna see me out and about wheeling around my groceries, and then tennis shoes right when I walk in. And then here is the kitchen right as you enter. And I always fall for the updated appliances. So stainless steel appliances. It has a dishwasher. And so we have this nice big microwave and big fridge. We got a mini Keurig. Look how teeny it is. This is their smallest size yet, and we absolutely love it. And also you can take this out and you can fit a travel mug in there. You can do it hot or iced. My last apartment, it was one teeny room. This is one room, but you walked in, there was the kitchen, and then I had a desk and then a Murphy bed. And as Mom loves to say, you can wheel my desk chair and then touch the fridge and everything. So it was very small. So the way that this layout is, I have more space. It was definitely an upgrade, which I'm very excited about. So let's come on in. We have this bookshelf, which is exciting. And so we have all sorts of things on here, silverware, wine glasses, some cookbooks, and some books. The Barney's New York bag is to reminisce about the beginning of my career, and unfortunately the fact that they are no longer with us. So that is a piece of my NYC history and a piece of New York City history. So this is the bedroom, gym, living room, dining room, and office, and dressing room, and makeup place. So anyway, it's all the things. So we can start here. This is Cinque Terre. My grandmother is an artist, and so she was so sweet. I visited Cinque Terre when I was studying abroad in Florence, Italy, and that was a fantastic day and lovely memory. So I have that. And then we have pillows that I've accumulated all throughout my life in college, in Paris, and then after. And so here we have, Mom is very great at decorating, so she knew we needed some height, so we added an orchid. We have some candles, and then lots and lots of these coffee table fashion books. And these are adorable, and I got them in France, in Paris. And then over here, this is my office, the Style That Binds Us headquarters. Here it is. So we have some New York City paintings, some art going on here. Oh, I love that. So that's Park Avenue in the spring by Michael Storings that you can get at Bergdorf Goodman. And then that is Park Avenue in the winter, Christmas on Fifth Avenue, actually. So absolutely, I mean, you can't get better than Christmas on Fifth Avenue. So this is going to be my office, my desk. So if you're not seeing me on social media, I'll be here. This is where I'll be spending all my time. And so we have a printer situation, my fragrance, some shoes even. We even have some shoes. And now we really have the shoes. So these cubes are fabulous. They were, my boss at Barney's had these in her office and she was leaving. And so I said, is there any way that I could have these? And so she said, yes. And so, but how am I supposed to get them home? And at that time, I was living in a 5th floor walk-up. So Mom was in New York City, and she met me and helped me get the cubes out of the office. That was an interesting situation. And then somehow I coordinated it that Anthony, my exterminator, which I really liked him, he was nice and very strong, he met me at the apartment in Chelsea, and I asked him, is there any way that you could carry up these cubes? And he did. So, you know, you just turn on the Southern charm and somehow it all works out. Because I really needed help that time to carry these things up 5 flights of stairs. Now this is this is a lot of drawers and things, and we put some purses here, and then this is going to be where I put on my makeup, and so I'll stand here and put on my makeup. It's a very special bed, and we put it together ourselves, so it's even more special. And then these I got in Miami on senior year spring break, and somehow I was supposed to go away with all my best friends, and we didn't realize that my passport was, we're not sure where it was. And so I didn't end up getting to go at the last minute. So Mom was so sweet, and we all went to Miami. And so we found these there, and they've been with me ever since. We have this great hanging rack, and so all the tops and sweaters are here, and then I have a closet over here. So somehow we have fit it all into this apartment. All these little things, we found a place for them. So, you know, in New York City, a lot of times your apartment is your closet, but I'm totally fine with that. And now we go to the bathroom. This started as a pantry, but now it has become beauty storage. So I'm really trying to work through all the beauty, but oops, I keep getting more. And then, no.
Why not? You don't want to show it.
I mean, it's so messy. Remember, I worked in beauty on the buying team at Barney's, and ever since, somehow, I keep getting more. Even though I'm really trying to work through it all. So I'm going to let you have a little peek, even though it looks terrible. We had to separate everything with these freezer bags. So it's like a bag of serums, a bag of moisturizer. But that's your job when you're on the beauty buying team, and now still we can't just talk about a product that we've never used, so we must try all these things. And then we have a little caddy with some exfoliating things, and this is my shower. I love this slate, and Mom got this really neat thing for my shampoo and all the things. This is a little mini shower, so it's an interesting situation, but it's nice. And then we have this mirrored cabinet. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed this NYC studio apartment tour video, and that you really liked the apartment because we put so much work into it. We will see you next time on the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. If you liked this video, make sure to like it, comment, let us know what you think. If you want more interior design videos or nesting videos while we're all in lockdown, and subscribe to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel so that you can see more of our videos. This is Delia Folk, and I'll see you next time.